Hello dear student. Today I am going to describe about nested list within web page and also how to use the marquee tag and the font tag within web page. So let's start. I have started the HTML document with the starting HTML tag, and after that head tag is opened. Within the head tag, title tag is given. Within the title tag, the title of the web page is given www.scms.com, and then the ending title tag is given to finish up the title. Then the main heading of web page has been started. H1 tag, then underline tag, U tag, then center tag, then our main heading Satish Chandra Memorial School is given, then ending tag of center, ending tag of U, and ending tag of H1 is given. Thus the first heading is completed. Next, font tag is given and the color is given blue. That means this heading will be of blue color. After that, H2 heading size is mentioned, then underline tag is mentioned, then center tag is given, then the second heading is given academic year 2020-21. After that, the ending center tag, ending U tag, ending H2 tag, and ending font tag is given. So we have used two heading. First the school name, second academic year 2020-21, and both headings will be coming at the middle of the web page, and then our heading part is completed. So we have closed it with the ending head tag. After that, we have started the body with BG color cyan, so light blue color will come throughout the web page. Now we have given a semi heading, that is subject combination of class 8. Before that, the semi heading has been given a color green, so font tag is used and the color attribute is used with green color. And after that, marquee tag is used. Marquee tag is such a kind of a tag which is a container tag which helps the content, the text, to move from right to left by default. So marquee tag is given. After that, H1 heading tag is given, then U underline tag is given, then the semi heading subject combination class 8, this given. After the ending U tag is given, ending H1 tag is given, ending marquee tag is given, and ending font tag is given. So like this, we have completed the first heading within the body part, and this heading will be a moving heading with the help of marquee tag. Now I have already used, or we have added many images with this web page. So altogether there are 9 to 10 images that I have used. You can see that within this web page I have used one big and continuous code of image. There are 9 to 10 image tag I have mentioned, and here many images. The name of the images is geo.pg jpeg, and a hist.jpg, then english.jpg, then bengali.jpg, then eco.jpg. Like this, many images are added with the web page with the extension .jpeg, and I think 9 to 10 images have been added with the web page, and 9 to 10 consecutive image tags are used. And I'm just showing you the one particular image tag. The identical image tag will be used afterwards. So first, the image tag is given with the img keyword. After that, src attribute is used that will reflect from where the images are being taken. After that, within the src we have given double quotes. Within the double quotes we have given d drive. From the D drive we are taking all the images. After that, we have written geo.jpg. It's a geography related image that we have added. After that, the second attribute of image tag is given, that is the width. Width is 200 and height is 200. So like this we have mentioned, and then after that height is given. So width is 200 and height is 200. So this is the identical image tag. So this kind of image tag is used for 9 to 10 times. Here only the name of the image has been changed in each and every image tag. So you can see there, I am again telling about the image tag img, then src equal to d colon /geo.jpg space width equal to 200 and height equal to 200. So this identical image tag and all the attributes are used for 9 to 10 times consecutively horizontally to add 9 to 10 images after the first heading of web page. And after that, one main important part of this web page is nested leaf. Student, you can see that one big nested leaf we have used here. Now the main nested leaf is ul tag, that means unordered list. The main list is unordered list. Okay, so first ul tag is given to start the list. Now within the unordered list or within the main list there are many list elements. First of English, then mathematics, then science, then SST, then Bengali, and then computer. So these are the main list items of the unordered list: English, then mathematics, then science, then SST, and then Bengali, and then computer. Now within each and every list item of unordered list we have created the order list. Suppose for English we have written literature, grammar. For mathematics we have created the ordered list where algebra, arithmetic, geometry is given. For the science we have mentioned one ordered list: physics, chemistry, and life science. Within the SST we have mentioned one ordered list: geography, history, economics. Within the Bengali we have mentioned one ordered list: prose, poem, and grammar. And within the computer we have given another and last nested ordered list, that is programming, HTML, and networking. So you can see that the main list is ul or unordered list. This is the main list. Within each item, within each list item of unordered list we have mentioned one ordered list, and when we are mentioning ordered list under each list item, then that is called the nested leaf, nested list. After that, again we have given the second heading under web, the body of the web page. Here I have mentioned font color equal to green. Marquee tag it is again used with the h1 heading size, and u tag with that exam schedule of class 8, that is also given. Now after that, the ending u tag, ending h1 tag, ending marquee tag, and ending font tag is given. So now after that, again 8 to 10 images are added with the image tag, and after that one ordered list is mentioned where pre-mid, midterm, post-mid, and final exam is given. Now I'm showing you the result, and I'm showing you the result of the page, and you will be happy to see the web page. This is the web page. You can see the web page that many images are added, and subject combination class 8, this heading is moving from right to left, and also the second heading exam schedule of class 8 is also moving from right to left, and within two heading of body of HTML many images are added, and in the middle of the web page you see the nested list are added. So this much for today. You will be happy to see this kind of web page. So thank you all the student. So dear student, just have a look to the web page that is developed right now. Here many images and along with the unordered list the moving heading and the still heading, many items are added with the web page. So first of all, you see here it is showing www.scms.com is the title of the web page. After that, the main heading Satish Chandra Memorial School is coming and displaying. After that, the second heading has come academic year 2020-21. So these Satish Chandra Memorial School and academic year 2020-21, these two are main heading that are coming within the head part of web page. After that, the body of the web page has started with this first heading subject combination class 8. As you can see, the first heading is moving from right to left with the green color. So here marquee tag is used, font tag is used with the color attribute that is green. Also the heading size H1 is used. Also the underline tag is used. So the first heading of the body of the web page is being displaying, that is subject combination class 8, and that is moving from right to left. As the heading is moving, it is the effect of marquee tag, and marquee tag is a container tag that is used here. With the help of marquee tag, the main heading of the body of the web page is moving to from right to left. Now after that, here you can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 individual pictures are added horizontally under the first heading of web page, of the body of the web page. Now you can see many subject headings, images are given, like the image of history is given, the image of geography is given, the image of English is given, Bengali, then economics, computer science, math, Hindi, then life science, then physics, then chemistry, then again HTML. These multiple images related with multiple subjects are given within the main heading of body of web page, that is subject combination of class 8. And you can see the heading is coming with the moving attribute subject combination of class 8, and under this moving heading we have added 12 individual pictures related to all the subject combinations. After that, here you can see the nested list is given. You can see the main, as I have told, the main list is unordered list. English, mathematics, science, SST, Bengali and computer, these all are the list index or list item, and within each list item one another ordered list is mentioned. And you can see that when under each and every list item the another order list is coming, then it is coming with the numbering order 1 2 3 like this. So you can see under English, literature or grammar has come, under mathematics one list has come, algebra, arithmetic, geometry, under science it has come, physics, chemistry, life science. So like this, for SST, Bengali, computer, the nested list has come. So within the body, in between the body, one nested list is added. And again I'm telling, the main list is the unordered list, and under each and every list item we have used nested ordered list. So you can see this. After that, the second moving heading is given with the help of marquee tag. Marquee tag helps to move this second heading from right to left with the font color green and the underline tag. The heading exam schedule of class 8 is given, you can see. And after that, again 11 to 12 pictures are given related to exams. As you can see, you can remember your exam days. You used to sit on the desk and given exam, and here every type of exam pictures are given with the ordered list. You can see the last but not the least, the ordered list is given with the pre-mid, mid-term, post-mid and final term exam names. So this is one web page that is enriched with moving heading, with multiple types of images, with the nested list, and with the heading. So this you can see, you can feel that how the web page is made, and accordingly in the theory class of the school I will always help you to remember and learn how you will make this kind of web pages, and I will share the main coding of these web pages within the school schedule class. So thank you all the student.